Hi, it's Amelia and Drew again. Today we're going to do a video on Nose Frida. I used it before, but I wanted to do a video so that parents out there can know what they're getting ready for and see a real live demonstration from a 5-month-old. Here's the little filter, here's the tube, and this, okay? You're going to put your mouth here, insert the filter here, and I'm going to do that out of camera view, and then attach this. Drew has a stuffy nose, so first they want you to use a little saline solution to loosen up the mucus. He's 5 months, so he's a little, he wants to grab everything. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I know, it's horrible. I know. Okay. Drew. Okay. It looks horrible. I know. You ready? You okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, if you can see this, the snot is all at the bottom. Now, this is my maybe 5th day doing it. No, it's about my third day doing it. The first day I really didn't get anything because I didn't use the saline solution. Second day I got more, and then today he's feeling a lot better, but as you see, it's still a little bit of mucus in there. I mean, it's not too bad on him, but it is uncomfortable. You won't get anything in your mouth because of the blue filter. It's expensive, and they only give you 3 filters in the box. And then you have one that's already inside, so you get 4 total. And they want you to replace the filter every single time you blow their nose. That can get pricey. You see, once it's over, he breathes a lot better. He's not as fussy when he feeds. So it helps a lot. I was told by an old wise man to blow in the baby's mouth and the mucus will come out the nose, but I was told by a wiser old man that it would put air in their lungs. So I just got this. But I ain't gonna lie, I kind of rinsed the filter out before and reused it. We gonna just pray over it. And that's our review. I rated a B. You don't get everything, but clearly it helps the baby. I would give it an A if they gave more filters. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.